Lee Scratch Perry is dead. Welcome to the Sauna Room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans. Lee Scratch Perry, renowned Jamaican music pioneer, has died. He died Sunday morning at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Western Jamaica. He had been battling illness. Perry was 85 years old. Lee Scratch Perry is Jamaican's recording producer and singer, noted for innovative style, technique, and production style. He was born Rainford Hugh Perry in March 1936. Perry was a pioneer in the 1970s, developing dub music with his early adoption of remixing studio effects and create new instrumental or vocal versions of existing tracks. He worked with and produced worldwide variety of artists, including Bob Marley and the Wailers, Junior Murvin, Congos, Romeo, and Beastie Boys. He is a recipient of a national honor in Order of Distinction at the rank officer. Perry is regarded as one of the most important creative instrumental figures of his time. He has produced more than 1,000 records during his 60 years career, including Bob Marley and the Wailers' most earliest recordings. Perry, who hails from Kendal in Hanover, had lived in Switzerland for over 7 years. He is known as one of the most eccentric music pioneers to emerge from Jamaica. We want to say R.I.P., rest in peace, Lee Scratch Perry. You have contributed greatly to our culture, and we appreciate it. It's a Sauna Room, where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.